Hi, I'm Dr. Mark McMahon. We're waiting to go live here. How's it going on Facebook?
So starting live video.
Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Hi, I'm Dr. Mark McMahon with Coyote Dental, and we are doing a series of videos called the Top 10 Reasons to Get Your Teeth Done in Mexico. And today we're doing reason number 2, and that is quality and technology. You see, yesterday's reason, the first reason is up to 70% off. But no matter how much you're saving, it wouldn't be a good deal if the quality were not there. And I'm here to tell you, yes, the quality is here. It is there in Mexico. I'm a dentist from the States, and I have been to Mexico, and the offices that we use are the quality is really it's just amazing, the quality and the technology. To tell you the story of the first time of how this happened, how I started Coyote Dental, and how I had this experience in Mexico that inspired Coyote Dental. I went down as a patient, and I was sitting in the chair, and they had taken a full mouth panoramic x-ray, and there was this living room size screen in front of me. And about a minute after I showed up there, this full-size x-ray of my own mouth showed up right in front of me. And I was thinking to myself, whoa, this is Mexico? And what I went on to find out is that they have the imaging equipment that they have, the full mouth x-ray, the panoramic x-rays, and the CT scanners, far surpasses a typical office in the United States. And the crown making machines, the digital crown making machines, are something that you don't find in every office in the United States. So I want to tell you a little bit about the quality and the reasons those crown machines are so great. Number one, when you have a typical crown where you have an impression and a mold and you send that to the laboratory, there's a bunch of transfers that happen. You make a mold, you prepare the tooth for the crown, then you make a mold, that's one transfer. Then you pour plaster into that, that's another transfer. Then you make a wax crown on that, that's another transfer. Then you invest that wax into another type of plaster, that's another transfer. And then you pour molten gold into that, that's another transfer. That's like 6 transfers. Every transfer that I just spoke of has an opportunity to introduce error or distortion, so the crown might not fit as well. Now compare that to digital scan direct to the machine, and the crown is fabricated from that digital image. So there's only one transfer, and that's from the porcelain to your mouth. And another aspect of that is when you typically, when you do the older traditional type of crown, you wear the crown as you'll have a temporary crown that you wear for a week or two in between, and that has a tendency, the crown has a tendency to shift as you're chewing and biting, and so the adjacent teeth and the opposing teeth have a tendency to shift, and so when you come to put the crown in, the tooth is not exactly in the same spot. So it involves a lot of trying in and adjusting. With the digitally produced crowns, you have the tooth is scanned, the crown is made, and then a half an hour later it's put into place, and it's just like your tooth. It fits and feels just like your natural tooth. So Americans do not have any kind of monopoly on quality, and that's for sure. And the technology in Mexico is far superior. So I'm here to say that you can't go wrong. And the other thing that I wanted to talk about is how our service works. Just very briefly, we take you down from Tucson. We drive you down to the border, and then we escort you across the border directly to your dental office, so that you can get to the right office, and offices that have been screened by me. So that's a little bit about quality and technology and why the second reason to get your teeth done. I'm Dr. Mark McMahon with Coyote Dental, and we'll see you tomorrow for Reason number 3. Thank you.